The Department of National Defense stands at the forefront, ensuring the safety of Filipinos and guarding the nation from threats inside and out. Oo, hindi lang sa mga kalaban sa labas ngunit pati sa mismong bakuran nito. This includes establishing safe spaces, which is what Republic Act 11313 is all about. The Bawal Bastos law was passed to show the government's dedication to respecting everyone's dignity and protecting our human rights. Lalaki, babae, LGBTQIA+, lahat. Bawal ang bastos. The law also highlights the importance of ensuring equality, security, and safety in various settings like workplaces, educational institutions, public spaces, and even online platforms. Ano nga ba ang maituturing na gender-based sexual harassment acts in public spaces? Catcalling or unwanted remarks directed towards a person. Kasama na dyan ang paninipol. Persistent, uninvited comments or gestures on a person's appearance. Kasama dito ang panghihingi ng personal details, pati na rin ang mga pasimpleng sexual comments. Public masturbation or flashing of private parts, groping, making offensive body gestures at someone, and other similar lewd sexual actions. Any advances that is unwanted na crossing the line na. Ang pagmumura, pananakot, pati na rin pagtawag ng sexual names ay pasok rin dito. Stalking o pagsunod sa iba nang walang pahintulot. In short, zero tolerance for gender-based sexual harassment. Kahit kailan, kahit saan. Ang bastos, lagot, mananagot. The DND will continue setting the standard for a secure working environment, fostering a culture where everyone is empowered to be their best selves, kahit ano pa man ang pronoun mo. Sa DND, bawal ang bastos. Defend safe spaces.